Hello guys, welcome back to GizAddict, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mirror your smartphone screen to your PC via USB cable. So let's get straight into the video. Before proceeding the video, make sure to install ADB and ADB drivers in your computer. If you don't know how to install it, then watch my previous video. Otherwise I will give the link in the description below, or you can check out the pinned comment. So to mirror your smartphone screen to your computer, you need a software called screencpy. It's a free and open source software. So to download it, open Google Chrome, then type scrcpy, then hit enter, then click on the GitHub link. Click here to download it for Windows. You can download it for macOS or Linux also. So now download started, and I will speed up the video to save your time. Now download completed. Click here, then click on show in folder, then copy the file to the desktop. Now turn on USB debugging in your smartphone. To do this, open settings, then click on about, then tap 5 times on build number. Now there will be a new setting called developer options. Now turn it on and turn on USB debugging. Now extract the downloaded zip file on the desktop. Right click here, then click on extract all, then click extract. Now connect your phone to your PC via USB cable. Now open extracted folder, then run screen.Let.exe file. Double click to run it. Now give USB debugging permission on your phone. So click on allow from this computer, then click OK. Now a new window will pop up which will mirror your smartphone screen to your computer. If it does not start, then double click again on screen.Let.exe file. Now you can use your mouse to control your smartphone. Now you successfully mirrored your smartphone screen to your computer. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.